Now this is what's definitely right up my alley. It's visiting Korea's very first beauty convenience store. This is Hemeko and it's located at the busy streets of Hongdae. When you walk in, you'll see all the products in one go like this, and Hemeko carries a lot of amazing indie brands that's quickly making its name in the industry. So let's try out some of the products together. First, my eyes went straight to the AOU lip balms. I mean, look at all the selection of colors, so beautiful. This got really popular because a lot of K-pop idols and Korean celebrities were spotted using it, such as Kim Ji-won, and she said she uses this color right here. And then I tried AOU's makeup fixer along with their new tone-up Dazzling cream, which again, many K-pop idols use. Next, we checked out Glow, of course, and I absolutely love their famous Breathable Blemish Balm and their lip balms too. And you know I had to use their hydrocolloid patches. It's a must. Oh, and I also got to try out their new sunscreen, which felt so nice on the skin. Like, it's the lightest formula I've ever tried. I think you guys will absolutely love it. And I was also so excited to see HEVEBLUE products. You guys know I love this brand, especially their salmon line with PDRN. And some hair brands that's poppin' are ANAZE and HESUL, made by kbeauty, a famous YouTuber and also hairdresser in Korea. And they carry some high, good quality products, so I was really excited to see his products on display. If you're a K-beauty skincare and makeup lover like me, you guys need to check out Hemeko, especially if you're visiting Hongdae. And they're open until 11 p.m, so you can visit right before heading back to your hotel.